Hey friends, just now we are going to upload how to install WhatsApp or Facebook or IMO or Messenger in Windows 10. Let's get started. Just open the Windows Microsoft Store. Then in the search bar type IMO. Then click on the IMO apps. Just install this app. And you can able to make video calls and chat in Windows. I have a connection problem, so that it will take. Just download it and you will get the access to use video calls and chat in your Windows. In the same way, you can download Facebook, WhatsApp, and many other apps and games from Microsoft Store. And Microsoft Store is a very beautiful and I have a connection problem, so it takes a while. Please wait. Just download it. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel, Creative World. Please subscribe.